Well, what a treat we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm joined by world kite renowned expert Joseph Kennedy. How are you, Joe?
I'm good.
And today's video is called Joe and the Kite versus Mother Nature. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Let's have a look. So you did this whole thing in 1 week, eh? And what was Monday?
So
What are you doing here?
I'm cutting up the pieces of plastic to then put a tail.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what's this?
Measuring the length of the wood.
And that looks like a special kind of, is it a saw? What is it?
Yeah, I'm cutting the wood so then it's exactly halfway.
Great. Oh, bit of measurements?
Yep.
Cool, and you got the right tools?
Yep.
What's happening? I don't know what's going on here.
Also, I used some string to tie it all together and now it looks like a diamond shape.
You've got the right shape there. What's this?
This is how big the kite is going to be.
That's a really big kite, Joe. Did you know it was going to be that big?
No,
What happened?
I got attacked by a ghost and I got stuck.
A ghost. Did we find some plastic, did we?
Yeah,
What are you doing?
I'm cutting up the plastic.
Great. And what are you holding? Is that sellotape?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks better.
Yeah, I think it's ready.
So it needs a tail, is that right?
Yeah.
What does the tail do? Does it keep it steady in the sky?
Yeah, I'm cutting up the plastic again so then it's heavy enough to keep the kite in the air.
Good. Oh, tidal. Oh, it's like big strips.
Yeah,
How will that move in the air, do you think?
it'll be like an octopus.
Like an octopus. Tuesday, was that 1 day? That was a lot of work for 1 day. Tuesday, what'd you do on Tuesday?
I was testing it.
Looks like a beautiful sunny day.
Yeah,
Yeah, Tuesday was a bit crazy. And we're outside in the park.
yeah.
Oh, who are you pointing at? What are you doing?
I'm testing which way the wind's going.
Do you need to know that?
Yeah, so then we know where to go.
Okay. Oh. What have you got?
There's a rainbow.
So if it's a rainbow, it's not going to rain, is it?
No.
Whoa!
What happened there?
I was trying to fly the kite, but then it just fell over.
Smashed into the ground. And what's this?
It's the giant rain.
Was it red?
Drops.
Was it giant drops of rain?
Yep.
They look massive. Did it hurt when it was hitting you?
Not really, but we got soaked.
Did you get soaked?
Yeah.
Did the kite smash in two?
Yeah.
Oh. And did we have to try and pack it all up and come home?
Yeah.
And that was Tuesday. What'd you do Wednesday?
We were fixing and finishing.
Fixing. Was it easy to fix?
No.
What are you doing to it?
I'm sellotaping it together so then it can be really strong.
And what's Hulkbuster?
Oh, that's the picture that's going to be on the kite.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it didn't have a picture on it before, but now it's finished. Is it strong enough?
Yep.
I see where it broke in the middle and we had to put more sellotape and sticks on. Is that how big it is? Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty exciting. Oh, I see what's happening. Did you sellotape it on with... I see you're holding the sellotape.
Yeah.
Did you use a lot of sellotape on this kite?
Yeah, I'm still that.
Cool. And there it is all done. What happened on Thursday, Joe?
It was a rest day and we had no wind at all.
Do Friday.
It was flying fun day.
Do you reckon?
We had a lot of wind.
A lot of wind. I won't do the noise again.
Okay.
What? How did it go? Beautiful sunny day. Yeah. Oh, you look puffed there. You all right?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Is that the highest it went?
Yep.
The tail is big, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, those trees are tall, and you went 3 times higher than the trees. Well, who's holding it now? You can't just hook it onto the seat and walk away.
Yeah, that's what we did.
You can do that. Well, that's a good angle.
Yeah.
Those trees are big. When you think, I'm not even as tall as the red slide over there,
Yeah.
then that must be really, really, really high up. And what happened here? Did you get a bit tired?
Yeah, I was lying on the ground while holding the kite, but then it was pulling me forward.
That's right. And did you try doing any super jumps while you were holding the kite?
Yeah, I did, and it pulled me forward onto my front.
Wow, lifting you up off the ground, eh? Cool. What are we looking at here?
Oh, so Gabe's getting ready to launch it while I'm
Whoa.
pulling it up.
And what technique do you need to do here? What are you doing with your arms?
You need to change your position so then you can get the kite up.
Oh, that's really good. And if it goes down real quick like that, what are you doing now? Talk me through it.
You need to run really fast.
Forwards or backwards?
Backwards.
Yeah.
If the kite's getting close to the ground,
And what will that make the kite do?
it'll go right up.
Whoa, I see what you mean. Jeepers, that is amazing. How did you feel when that was going like that?
That was awesome.
Yeah, that's really, really good. Okay. So what are the 10 things you learnt, Joe? Number 1.
You need the right materials, string, wood, and lots of sellotape. 2. I thought it would take quite a while. It was a bit boring to build. 3. But I felt amazing flying it. 4. When it broke, I felt a bit down. 5. It was really easy to fix. 6. It was hard to pick the picture. 7. You need to be in the right place so then you can get your kite high enough to fly it. 8. Kites are really cool fun. 9. When the kite pulls on you, it almost lifts you up. I was scared and excited. 10. Everyone should make a kite because of this video.
Awesome.